The price of Bitcoin continues to rise after our previous price report yesterday afternoon. At the time Bitcoin's price smashed through the $10,000 region across global exchanges. The BTC rocket ship's engines kept on going, reaching an all-time high of $11,395 during the early morning hours of November 29th. Bitcoin reaches $11,395 across global exchanges. Bitcoin's price upwards has been an intense ride as the currency has gained $2,000 plus in value over the past 2 days. At the moment, one Bitcoin has a weighted price average of around $11,100 to $11,200 on exchanges. Bitcoin trade volume over the past 12 hours has doubled, reaching a feverish volume of $9.2 billion. The Japanese yen is taking its share, with 64% of the global trade volume. Meanwhile, the USD, EUR, and KRW have a vast majority of the rest of the trade volume pie, as every other currency has less than 1% of the market share. Bitfinex is the top exchange on November 29th, followed by Bithumb, DEX, Birex, and Bitflyer. Technical indicators. Looking at the charts show during the November 28th overnight, Bitcoin's price reached $10,650 and subsequently had a flash drop to $9,940. Bullish pressure regained strength immediately after jumping back to the $10,800 region. Looking at the simple moving averages today, both the short-term 100 and long-term 200 SMA still have a wide gap, but it seems like they may converge in the near future. The move towards these two trend lines crossing paths indicates a correction is likely in the cards. The relative strength index and stochastic oscillators also reveal a similar story, as these two indicators reveal oversold conditions. If we see a pullback, look for some strong foundations between $10,200 to $10,400. However, in the short term, breaking resistance above the $11,500 region is not too far off from sight. Order books show bulls have been cutting through sell walls like butter all night and they haven't let up yet. Bullish sentiment may see resistance stops at $11,600 to $11,800. Digital asset markets in general. Cryptocurrency markets, in general, are doing quite well with a market capitalization of roughly $341 billion. The 24-hour volume between Bitcoin and the 1,325 other cryptocurrencies has reached an all-time high at over $20 billion. Among all the digital assets, Bitcoin is commanding about 54% of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization worldwide. The top 10 digital assets are currently all in green, seeing percentage increases across the boards. Ethereum is up 8.7% at $513 per token. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is doing well on November 29th as markets are up 2%, leading to BCH prices around $1,610. Ripple, XRP, is up 6% at 28 cents per token, and Bitcoin Gold, BTG, is up 1.2% at $345 per BTG. Lastly, Litecoin, LTC, has reached a global average of $105 per LTC as its markets are up 11%. Notable mentions this week include the top 10 newcomer Cardano, ADA, which increased 150% in the past 24 hours. The verdict, one giant price meme. Community sentiment across forums and social media show cryptocurrency enthusiasts are elated seeing the price spikes. Market optimism seems decent as well, but traders are now talking about the next big correction and that markets are due for a dip. Right now the price has been a focal point over the past 3 days as the web has been littered with 1,000 price memes. Alongside this, proponents are wondering what will happen to the price when CBOE and CME's Bitcoin-based futures markets arrive as well. Some believe the thrilling 2017 roller coaster ride is not quite over yet. Bear scenario: at the current vantage point, many traders believe a correction is due, and that it's just a matter of when and to what degree. There is some decent support around the $10,200 to $10,400. But they may not last if sell pressure picks up. Bull scenario: Bulls are trying to consolidate above the $11,000 zone, and with the amount of buy pressure we see right now, it just might stay above this zone for a little while. Key resistance to watch is $11,550 to $11,800.